Hi friends, welcome to or back to my channel. But if you've never seen this face before, my name is Shauna and you should definitely go subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And this week, I impulsively spent $1,000. Yeah. But it was all for YouTube, so really it was all for you guys. So really I just gifted you all. Long story short, I have been wanting a new camera. When I was 13, I got my first camcorder, and before that, wait, hold on. We're just gonna have a quick little trip down memory lane. My very first videos that aren't on YouTube, they're like on my computer, were filmed on this iPod 4. This is what I used to use. And then when I was 8, maybe 9, something like that, my uncle got me this for Christmas. It was my birthday or Christmas. It was a little Kodak camera. It only had 6 settings, and this is what I made videos on for like school projects. But then when I was 13, my whole family got me a new camera together, and that's this camcorder here. Almost 6 years I've been using this camera, and majority of my YouTube videos are filmed on this camcorder. And you know, I've really been wanting to up my quality for a while. The camera I'm using right now is a Canon EOS Rebel T5, and it's like my family's camera. Like, it's not specifically my camera, but like I'm the only one who uses it. But the one problem is that there's no autofocus when I'm recording a video, and there's no flip screen, so honestly I don't even know if I'm recording right now. Yeah, and I don't even know if I'm in focus because I can't see it. So I've been wanting to up my quality for a long time. I love cameras. It's literally what I want to go into, like as a job and stuff, is like designing and building cameras. And the Canon EOS M50 came out last year, and I have been obsessed with it since, but it's also really pricey. So on Canon's website, this camera goes for $1,099.99, and it also comes in white and black, and the white one looks so cool. I didn't get the white one because I've been wanting that camera for a really long time, and I've also wanted to get a mic and all that stuff. And then I went to this store called Visions. They had this whole camera kit for $900, something around there, but like with tax it totaled to about $1,000. I really wanted them to order the white one, but apparently Canon wouldn't let them, I don't know, something like that. So I just got the black one, which is kind of sad because I really wanted the white one. But I got this whole camera kit, and it's an amazing deal. I think its value is somewhere around like $1,200, $1,300, and now I get to open it, and I'm so excited. Let's just start. Okay, so this is the store Visions. I'm gonna obviously open the camera first. This is the store if you want to like take a little screenshot or something. And they also beat the price by 15%. I'm literally like plugging them for free. Visions, you should sponsor me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So here's what it looks like. Canon EOS M50. I'm so excited. Camera strap. A fat manual I'm probably not gonna read. More papers. Is this the body? I'm so excited. Oh, for those of you who don't know, the Canon EOS M50, it's a mirrorless camera. I've been looking at mirrorless cameras, watched a million YouTube reviews. No! Look how beautiful! Look how clean. And then you can flip it. And I wanted to be able to mount a mic on top. I like the viewfinder. I just wanted basically a DSLR, but way smaller. Do you see this? This is the lens. Oh my god. You guys have no idea how bad I've been wanting this camera. I'm so happy. I can't wait to play around with it. I'm filming another video later today, and I'm going to be using that camera. I need to charge the battery and stuff. But let's just jump into all the other cool stuff I got in this whole camera kit deal thingy. I got an SD card. That's not that exciting. Yeah, 32 gigabytes came with an SD card. Blah, that's not exciting. I also got this flex tripod thingy. Either a camera, GoPro, or like a cell phone. Probably not going to use it for this camera, but I will be using it for my GoPro. Is this better than a GorillaPod? Wait, it looks a lot bigger on the box. Maybe just because it's brand new and I've been using this for a long time, but it feels a lot stiffer than a GorillaPod. Definitely not big enough to like vlog on or anything, but this will be great for my GoPro. It also came with a camera bag, which is really nice. I have a bunch of camera bags. I probably have like 6. But I don't have a small one, which is what I like about this one that it came with. I think the value of this bag is like $30 or something like that. It's perfect. It's literally, it looks like a little lunchbox. I love it. Now the best part, the thing that really sold this kit to me, this. Oh my god, this is worth $150. It's the VideoMic Go Rode microphone. And by the way, I did buy this all with my own money. My parents did not pay for it. I spent all my own hardworking money. Okay, if anything just changed or whatever, it's because I went out and now I'm back and I'm finishing the video. The last thing I have to unbox is my mic, as you guys just saw, but for me that was like 5 hours ago. Here's our little bad boy. Made in Australia. Wow, interesting. Probably gonna get one of the fuzzy things to put over it to block out like wind and stuff. Here's a wire that you plug into it and you plug into your camera. And the great thing about these is that you don't need a battery. Like they run off the camera's battery or whatever. Oh my god, I love holding it. Like it's so small and so light. But when I'm done filming this video, I'm filming another video and it's gonna be on this camera. So I'll have the link down below if you wanna watch it to like see the quality and stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, that's all the cool stuff I got for $1,000, which is crazy. It's such a good deal. It was amazing. I'm in love with this camera so much and everything that came with it, and I'm so excited to use it. I'm just gonna put it down here for a second. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below whatever you feel like, or if you're a little YouTuber like me, then let me know and make me friends. Okay? Okay, cool. That's kind of all I have to say. I could ramble all day about how much I love this camera and how excited I am, but instead I'm just gonna go start filming with it. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!